Today's idea will be quite simple. We'll start by making the magic ring. Here I am using a 100% wire, 2M cotton and 2.5 needle. Inside the magic ring, we are going to work 6 single crochet. You can put 1 marker on the first point. Following, I insert the needle into the first stitch. I make 2 single crochet. Here at this point marks the first single crochet of the career. Now we will proceed, working 2 single crochet for each base point. After finishing the round, let's withdraw the marker. I position him on the first point of the third lap. In the next point, let's do an increase, 2 points at the same point on the base. We will continue to make a single crochet, a raise all around, and we will take a total of points. And here at the beginning of this lap, we will work 2 single crochet, 1 point for each point. Puts the marker on the first point. At the next point, we will make 1 increase, 2 points at the same point on the base. We will follow, doing it all around, 2 single crochet, an increase. We will take a total of 24 points. Before continuing, I will finish the initial leftover wire. Then with the tapestry needle, I pass the needle here inside the points, hiding the wire. For the next round, we're going to insert the needle just into the back handles of each of the points. I make the first single crochet. I make this point and will and here we will follow, making 1 single crochet for each base point. This way we will have a total of 24 points. Now I will insert the needle again, picking up the 2 loops from the point. I made the first point of this lap. I put the marker, and let's proceed by making 1 single crochet for each point until have a total of 6 laps. Counting on the first one we made, what we only caught the little fingers behind. So let's have a total of 6 laps. I finish the 6 laps from point to point. For the next turn, we will introduce the needle. Just picking up the front strap now. And for each point on the base, let's make a single crochet. Make the first point. And I will proceed by making a single crochet for each point. Just picking up the handle from the outside. After finishing the last lap, cut the wire, make a finish. I'm going to use some silicone glue here at the bottom of the piece to give more structure. Then hope to dry. With the brown color, I repeated the first laps. Finishing with 24 points, 2 single crochet and increase. I left a leftover wire. Now this leftover wire I put on the tapestry needle. I finish this base. After finishing, insert the needle at the next point. It will stay that way. Then at the next point, pass the needle the other way, again. And now I insert the needle in the middle of the same point. To continue with the same base color, I will tie the sliding knot and 12 chains. After making all the streams, I will skip the first current. From the second, I will work single crochet. We're going to make a single crochet here for each base current, and we will take a total of 11 points. Ready, staff. Now my base. It's already pretty dry. And we will proceed. Place or filling inside base. And here as I'm making another piece, I will show you how it does the final finish. But you can also end with a slip stick. Okay. Now we're going to sew this brown base. Inside, pink base. I will fit in here. We're going to look for that. Turn we left the handles. I'm going to insert the needle into these handles, passing all the wire. I go to the next point. I pick up the 2 handles. and the pink base pin. I do this for all points, always coming back. In the same direction where I started. In the end, it will look something like this. Now we're going to glue the strap. You can also sew in case you prefer it. So here I'm going to pass some silicone glue or hot glue at the ends. And right here, in the finalization, I will glue the strap. With a piece of felt, I'll fold it right in half. And I will cut here, the shape of a heart. You can also use fabric or any other material. Will stay this way. Then just paste. Here in our piece. I'm going to enjoy this felt niece. To make a few sugar cubes that I'm going to paste here inside the piece. Ready, staff? Then just put the key ring hook. And this is how our crochet keychain turned out, with this super beautiful model of coffee cup, or tea in case you prefer. I hope you enjoyed it, and even more.